They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. In math, a graph is worth 1,000 calculations. It turns a secret code, like an algebraic rule, into a visual map that lets you see how numbers move together. It all starts with a function table. Think of it as an organized list. You choose an input number, which we call x, and you run it through a rule, like multiply by 2 and then subtract 1. The number that comes out is the output, y. So if x is 3, y is 5. Simple. Each pair of these numbers becomes a coordinate pair. Think of them as GPS points for your graph, written as 3, 5. Now for the map itself, the Cartesian plane. You always start at the center, the origin, which is point 0, 0. The first number in your pair, x, tells you how far to move right. The second number, y, tells you how far to move up. You mark the spot. When you plot a few points from the same rule, something amazing often happens. They form a perfectly straight line. This is a linear function. Drawing that line connects all the dots, showing you every possible answer to the rule at once. And this line tells a story. Its steepness depends on the rule's multiplier. A rule like y equals 4x will be much steeper, climbing faster than y equals x. And if the rule has a number added at the end, like y equals 5x plus 10, that plus 10 is the starting point. It's where the line crosses the vertical axis before you even start counting hours. This is incredibly useful. Imagine that bike rental costing $10 up front plus $5 an hour. The graph instantly shows you the total cost at any moment. You can predict the price for a full day without doing endless calculations. You're not just solving a problem, you're seeing the entire relationship. You're turning numbers into a story.